Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a yummy recipe of mashed potatoes, very creamy and cheesy. But before I proceed, please do make sure to like and subscribe to my channel for more yummy recipes. In this recipe I'm going to use 4 big potatoes, washed and cleaned really nicely, sweet corn, smoked turkey, smoked sausage. I'm using chicken sausage here, salted butter I'm going to use. If you want, you can use unsalted. Full cream milk, I'm going to use salt to taste, black pepper, little bit of red chili flake I'm going to use, mozzarella cheese, again this is processed, Kraft cheddar cheese I'm going to use. If you have any other cheese, you can use that as well, and olive oil. In the last, I'm also going to add Kraft cheddar cheese and mayonnaise. So let's start. So what I have done is I have preheated my oven on 250 degree, and I'm going to put the foil in my tray, and I'm going to start making my potatoes towel dry, and I'm going to start adding on my tray. Now make sure that you have scrubbed your potatoes really well because we're going to use the skin. And then I'm going to make a slice in center of that potato so that it get easily cut off later on. I will show you why. And I'm going to also poke some fork inside so that the steam go inside and it get cooked really well evenly. Now add some olive oil on it and salt, and just tap it on both the side and put it on in the oven to let it get cooked. Look at that. I'm going to add the salt and mix and put it in the oven for almost, I'm going to leave it in the oven to let it get baked for almost 50 minutes because it's potatoes and it should get cooked very well inside. Look at that. This is how it looked like after 50 minutes. Yeah, see, when I open it, it's completely cooked. Look at that. So just cut it from the center, cut it all your potatoes, let the steam come out. Yes, now I'm going to scoop out all mashed potato out in one of the bowl. Yeah, just remove all the mashed potatoes out, and look at that. I'm going to make it empty. I'm going to leave it like a pocket. Yeah, this is how you will do. Make sure to remove all potatoes, and this is how it look like. I'm going to mash my potatoes with some butter. So add in that butter. Take a huge amount of butter because this is a magic there. This will work amazing. Potatoes and butter is amazing combination. Add milk, whole cup of milk, and give a nice mix. Just mix, mash it really well. And then I'm going to add my smoked sausage. I have cut it in circle. Look at that. This is how it should look like. And add your smoked turkey. Now if you have leftover chicken or any other ready-made meat you want to add in it, go ahead, go for it. It is delicious with all that stuff. I'm going to add my corn in it, and I'm going to give a nice mix. Add in your pot your cheddar cheese, your mozzarella cheese, and just give a nice mix to it. If you have parmesan, if you have cream cheese, if you have any other type of cheese, you can add in this because this is a cheesy potatoes. Now I'm going to fill up this potatoes in this pocket. Look at that. Just fill it up this filling in that potato skin. Just add it up and fill it up evenly, all the skin. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep my oven again hot for almost 200 degree. I'm going to start adding cheese on the top for extra cheesy flavor. So add up your mozzarella or cheddar cheese, whatever you have, just put it on the top and leave it. Look at that, within 10 minutes it's just perfectly done. It's yummy, kids love it, and it smells so good. It's so filling and it's delicious. I will not believe it's so cheesy. You can see it's looking so yum and cheese. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to have some extra cheese on top. I'm going to add here mayonnaise. Now this is optional. If you don't like it, don't add it, but we like to eat like that. So eat some mayonnaise, add some cream cheese on top, and then again it's optional if you want to add some red pepper or coriander powder. This is completely your call. Some people like with ketchup, some people like with hot sauce. It's super yummy. I hope you like my recipe. Please do like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.